Hello guys, we are back with our next lecture. In this lecture, let us go through graphs, and we will also be going through the graph traversals, guys, like BFS and DFS. Okay, so in this lecture, let us introduce what are graphs and what are the types of graphs, some basic types. Okay, so basically, what is a graph? So graph is nothing but it is a pair of vertices and edges. A combination of vertices and edges is called as a graph. Okay, so that's what I have just written here. So vertices and edges. So what are vertices? Vertices are the points and the edges are the paths or the lines which are connecting the vertices. Okay, so in this graph we are having 5 edges and 5 vertices: E1, E2, E3, E4, E5, V1, V2, V3, V4, V5. So this is a simple definition for graph. Okay, so let us go through some basics of graphs, guys. Like everyone knows what all things which we are discussing now, but just for a revision, just let us go through them. Okay, undirected graph: a graph in which the elements of the set are having a particular direction or an unordered pair are called as undirected graphs. So in this there is no direction, so there is no particular path like A to B, like that there is nothing. So a graph in which the elements of the edges set are unordered pairs of vertices is called as undirected graph. So vertices are ABCD and edges are AB, AC, AD, BC, BD, CD. Okay, so here we are having, we can even write BA, BD. I think we should also write those things also because it is undirected, right? So we should also write BA, CA, DA, CB, DB, CD. If you want more clarity, you can write these also because it is undirected, so both the paths are possible. Or even writing one, sometimes you will be confusing that A to C in that way because those are some kind of ordered pairs. Okay, so this will be the edges, like all combinations, guys, edges. So if A to B is there, then B to A is also there, A to C, C to B, like that. So that is the reason why I just written the mirrors of these things. So that's what I have just written here. Okay, so that is nothing but undirected graph. Whereas directed graph, in directed graph you will be having particular pair of elements like A to B, B to C, C to D, in that way. So a graph in which the element of the edges set are ordered pairs of vertices is called as directed graph. V of G is equals to A, B, C, D, E, and edges of the graph are AB. So we are having AB, BC, BC, CD, DA, DE, EA, like there is a particular path for them. So those are nothing but directed graphs. Okay, then let us follow with weighted graphs. A graph in which weights are assigned to every edge is called as weighted graph. So here we will be assigning some weights for each and every edge. So that is nothing but the weighted graph. Simple. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are the weights of the graph. So I hope everyone got a clear idea on this basics of graph. So in the next lecture, we will be going through the graph traversals and we will be initially discussing about breadth first search. So let us meet in the next tutorial. Thank you. Thanks for watching.